Welcome to the Essential ENAGIC Workshop!
And our business really changed since the last time we have been here, so we brought more team members here.
It's a great experience to be here. I suggest everyone to come and personally experience this.
And it has brought me so much clarity and so much value that I am committed to keep coming to these events and really grow my business, because it gave me a different perspective about how to go about this business.
I learn so many things and I implement in my business, and I come with my team always.
Lifestyle, I changed a little bit because I'm more focusing on my health.
See you at the next event.
I see you guys in next event. See you
See you
guys
at the next event.